Hello everyone, welcome back to EduMoon tutorials. My name is Srinitya and I'm going to be teaching engineering drawing. From this video we will be discussing Unit 4. In the last video I completed Unit 3, which was projection of points. If you want to check out the previous units and Unit 3, you can check out my previous videos. So coming to Unit 4, it is the projection of straight lines. So till now we discussed introduction, curves, projection of points. Now we are going to discuss projection of straight lines. In this video, I will just discuss the introduction of this topic and we'll solve the questions in the next video. So coming to the introduction part of projection of lines. In projection of lines, the concept is the same concept of orthographic projection. I said in the previous video, if you remember, that we are going to be using the orthographic projection concept in the coming units. So the same concept. So the line can be placed in any 4 quadrants, similar to how we placed the point in any of the 4 quadrants. But the thing is, as we know, line is joining 2 points. So that is called the line segment. So here you will get more cases. For example, the line can be parallel to the planes. The line can be perpendicular to the planes. The line can also be inclined to the planes. So there can be a variety of questions that can be asked. So an easy way to visualize these questions is to imagine the line to be your pencil. So based on that, you can understand the question. So if they say that the line is kept parallel, so you can imagine that your pencil is parallel to the plane. Similarly, if they say it's perpendicular, so you can imagine your pencil being perpendicular. Similarly, if they say inclined, if they say 30-degree inclined, you can imagine your pencil to be like this. So it's just for, it's just an easier way to imagine. You can use any object to imagine the straight line. So moving to the questions, I will be discussing one type of question, like one case in each question. So as I said, there could be 3-4 cases. So I'll be discussing one question for each of those cases. So we will be using the same concept that we discussed in the previous video. So this was a point in the previous video. So now the object is going to be a line. So if it's a line, we have to discuss what will be the front view, what will be the top view, etc. So yeah, you can take the pencil, imagine the pencil to be the line. In some views, your pencil will look like a line. Maybe in the top view, your pencil will look like point, etc.